everyone, my name is Linda Delia, and today on this occasion I would like to present my reading report about a short story entitled Thank You Ma'am by Langston Hughes. This story tells about empathy, kindness, dignity, and also second chances. I chose this text because the story gives us meaningful lessons about how compassion can change someone's life. First, I would like to summarize this story. Thank You Ma'am tells the story of an older woman named Mrs. Jones and a teenage boy named Roger. One night, Roger tries to steal Mrs. Jones' purse because he wants to buy a pair blue-suede shoes. However, instead of taking him to the palace, Mrs. Jones brings him to her house, asks him to wash his face, and gives him food. During their conversations, Mrs. Jones understands that Roger is struggling and needs guidance instead of punishment. At the end of the story, she even gives Roger money to buy the shoes that he wants. Roger is deeply touched by her kindness and lives with a new understanding about trust and respect. Next, I would like to share my evaluation of the text. Okay, in my opinion, this story is very impactful because it teaches readers about empathy and humanity. One of the strengths of the story is its simple but meaningful message, right? And then, even though the story is short, the emotional interaction between Mrs. Jones and Roger feels realistic and powerful. The dialogue is also easy to understand, making the story interesting for readers. Another strength is how the author shows that kindness can be more effective than punishment. The story encourages readers to understand the reasons behind someone's bad behavior instead of judging them immediately. However, one weakness of the story is that it provides limited background information about Roger's family, in my opinion, okay? Because of this, readers do not fully know the challenges he faced. I think adding more details about his background could make the story even more emotional and complete. Now, I would like to share my personal response. I found this story very touching because it shows how one act of great kindness can change a young person's life. You know that Mrs. Jones' decision to trust Roger helped him realize his mistakes and become a better person. Reading the story reminds me of the importance to role teachers and older people have in guiding young people who are studying or struggling. This story also made me realize that bad behavior is often caused by hidden problems. And then, as a future teacher, I learned that empathy and understanding are very important in helping students grow positively. The story inspired me to become more patient, caring, and supporting toward others in daily life. In conclusion, Thank You Ma'am is an inspiring and meaningful short story that teaches important values such as empathy, kindness, trust, and second chances. I highly recommend this story because it gives valuable life lessons that are still relevant today, especially for young people and educators. Okay, thank you for listening to my presentation. I hope it can be useful for all of us. Thank you very much for your attention. See you next time.